amazing. All he'd have to do is say, I'm not natural, I'm on HRT, whatever. Everything he does would be amazing. See, you can in fact win, Mike. You just have to be actually natural.
Degree of people outside and inside the fitness industry that are interested if their favorite fitness influencer or the physique they want to look like, if they are enhanced or not, is actually alarming. So this video is talking in details about why we shouldn't care about that. And also I need you to stick to the end of this video, because by the end of this video I'm going to also enlighten you that anything you want to achieve in life is possible, rather being it your physique, financially and otherwise. So stick with me to the end of this video. I'm gonna change your mind towards this belief. There's a lot of talk in the fitness industry about enhanced and non-enhanced bodybuilders. This is getting a lot of attention recently because a lot of people want to know their favorite fitness influencers, if they're actually enhanced or non-enhanced. Like, there are different articles written about steroids and enhanced bodybuilders, like the likes of The Rock. People claim to think that The Rock is on steroids when The Rock have not admitted that he's on steroids. So different YouTubers, like Greg Doucette, are not dissing out his content. He tries to bring out good content about if this guy is natural or not. So all I'm saying is that you cannot just prove that somebody is natural, even though he's lying about it, because he has not admitted that he's not natural. So you cannot just from your own perspective you bring out different proofs and just say that he's natural. It's not it doesn't work that way. Let's be realistic. This guy The Rock did not say he's taking steroids, and body can achieve a very, very good physique, both natural or not natural. So somebody just coming out these people of their hard work and everything, and these people are saying they are natural. So why do you tend to do such things like that? People feel bad because somebody I'm a bodybuilder. We've been training for 11 months now, and I know the kind of work I put into get this kind of physique. So if somebody should sit down outside there and just diss my physique and because I look good and just say I'm taking drugs, I'll feel annoyed, I'll feel bad. And there are thousands of articles written out there who are they are concerned about this kind of thing. That's why I have a professional article writer here. His name is
Lawrence, professional article writer.
Exactly.
Here my bro.
Thank you. Welcome back to my
Physique channel.
And today, we're talking about enhanced or non-enhanced bodybuilders. And you're an article writer. You research about things. I know you're curious about it.
Yeah, I have been ever since you told me the topic. I did a lot of research, and it's actually amazing to tell you that there are over 2,000 articles on steroids and bodybuilding.
People are just curious about this kind of stuff.
Yeah, because people actually spend so much time in writing articles, in asking questions, and then some of the questions don't really make sense. Like, we are actually interested in knowing if somebody is a steroid bodybuilder or a natural bodybuilder, and there are some facts that if you put them together, it actually makes no sense. And even though it does make any sense at all,
it's not just accuse somebody.
It's not just right to just wake up and be like, hey you, you're a business man. I think you're a steroid.
Sometimes some of my friends they'll be giving me all these nicknames.
Yeah, I
steroids. Ask me what am I eating? Bro, I'm natural. This thing is all about genetics. Let's be realistic. Even when it comes to education, I want to dive into education. For example, now all of us in a class of 32 students, everybody's reading when it's time for the examination or preparation. You're not telling me that not everyone is reading, though some people are reading more than others. That's why you have outstanding students in class. The same thing applies into fitness. Everybody that desires to have a beautiful physique is training. But how many of them are training well, resting, sleeping, eating well? Those people that are lazy, they'll just come and sit down. Some people that are not even interested in the fitness industry, they'll cross their leg and sit down and say, oh yes, it's true, it's right. It's not natural because he has this kind of physique, he's big and all that stuff.
Alright, so we've been hearing about enhanced bodybuilders and non-enhanced bodybuilders. So now let's dive into
enhanced bodybuilders. Let's be realistic. There's no like when you say bodybuilder, they will not write enhanced on the chest, on his chest or something. Enhanced and stuff like that. When it comes to enhanced, people just preassume when somebody have an incredible physique, you get the physique just looks good and it's big, not like big. If you look at someone like the Rock is not like exactly big. It's not a pro bodybuilder. Pro bodybuilders out there put it like a picture of Kali muscle. If you see the size of his muscle and that of the Rock, they are very huge. Those ones you can predict that this kind of substance they are taking to be that huge, you get. But someone like the Rock, like Greg Doucette for example, he picks out Mike Thurston. He says Mike Thurston is using PEDs. Like he just blames the guy, though Mike Thurston has not like reacted to his videos. Just assume that Mike Thurston is using PEDs to achieve that kind of physique because him himself was not able to achieve that kind of physique naturally. So he just blame another person, his genetics look good and stuff. Just blame it on him and taking PEDs and stuff.
Yeah. When I actually did some research about steroid bodybuilders, I discovered that there are a lot of side effects. And some of the side effects that I noticed is that you have some pubic hairs, extra pubic hairs, deepening of your voice, and then after a while it slacks because you have to keep taking it. And when you continue taking steroids, you then now you begin to have heart issues, have liver issues, and these actually your health you're dealing with. So now they should have a doctor, and then
they should be going to see the doctor
regularly.
Yeah, but the thing about them, those enhanced bodybuilders going to see the doctor, the thing is that when they go to see the doctor, they don't actually tell the doctor the truth of the exact drugs they are using. They could tell the doctor part of it. Then the doctor will understand those drugs but keep some hidden part of it that the doctor might have warned them not to take it. Yeah. So they will not really explain themselves to the doctor. And steroids act as medication for some diseases like stroke and other stuff. But for you to build muscle with it, you have to take like an extra dose, excessive dose, build up those muscles and increase your protein synthesis. So steroid is not it's not advisable for you. But if you want to be a pro bodybuilder, people who take steroids, have something they want to achieve.
They have doctors too.
They have doctors.
They just take it like that.
Yeah, they have something they want to achieve. It's mostly those guys that want to go for pro bodybuilding contest. If you're natural, like you don't have any idea or thought for going to compete your body, what is the point of you taking steroids? Affecting your life.
Okay, so we've given you a brief discussion on what steroid bodybuilders are. Natural or non-steroid bodybuilders are one of my beastly guys. This is a natural bodybuilder. No steroids, I can vouch for him.
But do not still believe you.
Now, come on. Look at that. So, and I believe that when you lift your gym and when you take up that weight, your muscle actually breaks down and then it rebuilds. The part of your muscle rebuilding is what enlarges your muscle.
When you recover after your muscle has broken down, when you go home and rest and eat, that's when your muscle is building. People don't know it's all about the recovery stage. That's when the muscle is actually building.
Information.
But the thing is, let's be realistic. Not everybody will be good at something.
Yeah.
People have advantages over others. People have good genetics. When it comes to Africa as a whole, like if you go to this city called Ikuno, you see little children with mighty calves. They have been pushing cane since they were 2, and that cane is very heavy. I went to Ikuno now. I don't remember the weather. Was it last month, February or something? I went to Ikuno, so my friend over there saw my physique. He was impressed. So I saw a little boy pushing a cane. And I'm like, my friend was like, come on, guy, you can push this now, lift it. Push the cane now. It's not as if I did not push the cane, but for that child to push that cane.
You actually pushed it.
I pushed it. Come on. I pushed the cane for that child. He was pushing this cane without stress. And if you see his physique, for a little boy. So, you know, this muscle building, this thing is not like, I'm not saying it's not for everybody. Everybody, you know, can lift weight and look good at a certain point. But the thing is that few people are just choosing to, you know, build large, you know, amount of muscle. Their body, you know, can adapt to that amount of muscle, while others will, you know, struggle, you know, put on size.
I also believe that in Africa we have this muscle gym. Because
but not everybody.
Has.
But
most, let's say 60% of Africans have stronger or very nice muscle gym. And do you actually know that the kind of tedious jobs most Africans engage in can actually build your muscles?
Yeah, man.
Like
bricklayers. Someone, you know, bricklayer was, you know, lifting cement. Like you see the size of his guy biceps, and the diet is even taking those bread and fat, and you know, he's able to build that quantity of muscle. He's not watching his diet like other people be watching their diet and other stuff. This thing. I'm not saying that other people outside, like the Westerners, don't have that, you know, natural ability to build muscle.
Yeah.
It's just that people just have advantages in certain things. That is the true advantage. So
nice one, man. That's really cool. So I've actually told you about
what enhanced
bodybuilders and non-enhanced bodybuilders.
So the thing is, why must people really, you know, need to be concerned about if people are, you know, natural or not natural? I believe the reason why a lot of people, you know, are, you know, always concerned about this is that people, they feel that a lot of them, you know, are lying about it and, you know, giving out fake supplements that are using to build that size of muscle, or training, or, you know, diet or food like this. You know, these people that, you know, claim to be natural, some of them they are not. I'm not saying all of them are, but they always claim to be natural and, you know, other stuff, and they give out fake training and all that stuff. All I'm saying that even though someone is enhanced or not, it's not. You don't need to be, you know, be concerned about that. Because people go into fitness, you know, they have an idea, you know, like fitness structure they want to get. Maybe they want to look like Johnson and the rest. But I want you to go with this mindset into fitness. You're going there, you know, to make yourself stand out. You don't need to be, you know, be big to stand out in the fitness industry. You have to have a great physique. I advise you to go through the fast route, which is taking steroids, but with natural ability, promise you could grow amazing physique if you know, consistent and patient and stuff, because this thing takes time. It's like a habit. Even though those who take steroids, I can promise you, if you know they give you those bodybuilders out, they give you the steroids that you're not going to be able to achieve that and exactly the same.
Because you still need to walk.
You need to walk.
You still
and
need to do
your, you know, your abilities, your gene is different from his own, just like your name is different from his own. So people just, you know, tend to just believe that because he took steroids, that his body is like that. Even though that guy doesn't take steroids, we still have a very wonderful physique that you yourself can't achieve.
Yeah.
So
based on psychological research, it's actually known that human beings actually like discussions about ourselves. Like there's always this curiosity of what is going on in this person's life, what is going on in this person's life, what's going on. They have this. We naturally want to know what's going on in a celebrity's life, somebody that is very popular. Why? Because we think that knowing such information actually gives us an edge or an advantage. Why? I know the information, I know this. But there are actually more productive things you can engage yourself in. You can engage yourself in developing yourself in your digital skills, because the world is entering into a digital stage right now. How many of you actually have digital skills? So you can actually go into digital skills, you can actually go into your writing skills, you can actually develop yourself, you can actually hit the
keep yourself busy, because when you're not busy, you tend to, you know, sit down and listening to
different
if this guy is enhanced, if this guy is not enhanced, or that stuff like that.
It's actually being productive. Being productive, that is just it.
You will not be concerned about it. If your main aim is just what you just know when you do whatever productive thing you're doing, because I believe there is no need gym. You should be doing, have other things, you know, to be giving you finances. If you have other things that are in your mind and your training, the thought of, you know, if somebody is enhanced or not will enter your head, because you're just, you know, lifting as a regular habit. You lift, eat this morning, you're happy, there's a routine. you'll be surprised at the level of the level of physique you can achieve. Because those bodybuilders they don't even care if they are big or not. What you know is I wake up, I do my work, I eat, I drink. Simple.
Yeah, I got one question for you guys. If you actually think that steroid just gives you the body you want without walking or doing anything, try taking steroids.
And drop it down in the comments.
We'd
like to see your picture.
And also not just that, you can also hit the gym. Just try for 1 week or be, and let's see the consistency that you can put, the energy that you can put, because people tend to put more energy on things that are not productive and than the things that are productive.
Take a look at Greg Hussein. If you check his comments, now you see people that are not even interested in bodybuilding. Like I saw a comment there by a lady. She said that she's not even interested. She doesn't have anything for fitness, but she just like the way the guy is bringing out natural and not natural bodybuilders. Like why interested when you're into fitness? Like what joy does it give you to see another man?
Yeah, I feel your pain, man. Come on, I feel your
After
pain.
all the work he has been putting, somebody just sit down, with his privilege to have a camera, for example, and say that this guy is not natural.
No, actually, that guy actually puts a lot of work.
Definitely.
He does a lot of research, and I give it to him.
Yeah, friends with that.
You should criticize someone.
I'm not criticizing him, but it's right to judge, so that beginners will think. But the fact I'm annoyed about this video is that he's putting this mentality in you that they cannot achieve this kind of physique, which is you can achieve anything you want if you set your mind to want it. That's it, guys.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, that's a wrap.
Yeah.
So we've come to the end of steroids, enhanced bodybuilders.
We must really care about this kind of stuff.
Don't care.
Never do. Remember, guys, like this video. This video was not interesting.
Share it.
And if you want to see more of my guy
And more of me.
in this video, write it down in the comments. You want to see more videos and any apart from fitness, anything you want to want us to talk about
different things.
Yeah, anything you want us to talk about, he's here. He's a professional to go right there. Put his link to his blog right down in the description. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Peace out. Stay busy,
Stay with you guys.
guys.
Peace out.